I was on the fence a little bit about whether or not to even post this video, but decided to go ahead and show you the bad tournaments that I have. Just give you a little, kick out of getting up so early and doing everything. But just want to let you know that I struggled, and so I'm not just going to put it out there whenever I think that I do, at least average or better. I'll put it out there when I don't think I had a very good tournament. So here you
So
go.
it's 3:45 this morning. Fishing tip of the week is a half an Imodium. So we want to put that muzzle on the old mud shark. We don't want any accidents while we're out on the water and no sudden urges, so we just take a half of one. It kind of keeps things at bay. So it's going to be a wet tournament today. There's rain coming down, heading for Russellville. We're about to leave the house right now, so this is going to be the wet version of Benham Outdoors.
So after I got to my first starting spot, I actually had one blow up on a buzz bait that I missed, and then I caught one on a spinner bait before I got my camera out and turned it on. But it was just drizzly, rainy, and miserable all day. The one fish catch that we just saw right there, that was pretty much the example of all the other fish that I caught. 14 1/4 inch, barely keeper, largemouth bass. So anyway, here's some more wet footage. So I had a very, very unproductive tournament on Lake Dardanelle. I wound up catching a limit. keepers, and I caught about 4 shorts in addition to that. I only had about 8 pounds, 8.11 pounds, and the winning stringer was 17, and we had 4 bags over 15, and I wound up in 16th out of 24 boats, so very bad day. I will say in my defense that I had no practice because work kept me from being able to do any practicing at all this week, so that's my excuse for not making anything else happen. I just didn't run across any big fish.